Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to reading class. Today we did the high frequency test in these three words, all, any, says. And then we started our lesson. We are starting with book unit 2. Our story is on page number 2, Eagles and Eaglets. In this lesson, we talked about the title of the story. What's the title of the story? It's Eagles and Eaglets. And what's the type or the genre of the story? It's expository text, and that means we are going to learn facts and information in this text. Some stories are fictional, some stories are just imagination, but this one is called expository text, and that means it's a non-fiction, and the text will give us informations and facts about the topic. So in this story, we will learn about eagles and eaglets. And then we are trying something different this lesson. We are just reading the pictures and making prediction. So we looked at the pictures and we guessed what is the story is about and what are we going to learn from it. We didn't read any of the text. So in this picture, we predicted that maybe we are learning about the eagles and their baby eaglets. So we are going to learn information about the eagles and their eaglets. Next page here, the kids predicted that maybe we will learn how do eagles feed their eaglets and what do they feed them, what type of food do they give them. And on this page, the kids predicted that maybe we will learn about the body structures of the eagles, since we have arrows pointing at their body parts. And in this page, the kids predicted that maybe we will learn about how big the eagles can spread their wings and how far and high can they fly. And then we learned 4 new vocabulary. The word adult. An adult person or animal is fully grown. My father is an adult. And the word alive. If something or someone is alive, it is living. I water the flowers to keep them alive. Covered. Covered means something is all over something else. Polar bears covered with thick white fur. And the last word is fur. Fur is the hair that animals have. My kitten has fur that is soft and fluffy. And then we answered only these 4 questions for the 4 vocabulary that we learned today. So I asked the kids how to give us example of each word. So the word adult, who are some adults you know? One of the kids said mom, so we wrote the word mom. Second word is alive. What are some things that are alive? One of the kids said plant, so we wrote the word plant. The word covered. What other birds are covered with feathers? One of the kids said duck, so we wrote the word duck. And the last one, fur. Name some other animals that have fur. Some of the kids said bear, so we wrote bear. And that's the end of our lesson. Thank you for attending.